It is imperative that whenever you want to go into any investment, you first seek knowledge about that investment before you go into it, or else you come out of that investment and you begin to say stories that touches the heart. And that's when you hear people saying that stocks and shares investment is nonsense, real estate is nonsense. Ask them, did you invest in knowledge before you invested in that vehicle? Most of the times it is no. Most of the times they only invested in opinion and not facts. Please, when you are investing, invest in facts. And that's why in this video we'll be talking about the basics of equity investment. What is equity investment? Equity investment is simply shares and stocks investments. So on this channel we'll talk about finance and investment, all forms of investment, including real estate, equity investments, ETFs, mutual funds, and so on and so forth. So let's quickly look at market capitalization when it comes to equity investments, because it is good that you know what kind of company am I investing into. Because when we talk about market capitalization simply means the total market value of the company's outstanding shares. I will explain in a layman language so that you will understand what a market capitalization is, so that when you are investing in a company, you will know whether you are investing in a large market cap, mid market cap, or a low market cap. And all these category of companies have their own advantages and their own disadvantages, and we'll also be looking at it. It may not be in just this video. I'll sectionalize it into parts. So let's just look at the basics in this video. So let's say, for instance, this is a old building. Let me use a building to explain. A old building having a block of 130 flats. A whole building having a block of 130 flats. So one flat is being sold for 10 million. So when you want to know the total market capitalization of a company, the question is, what is the unit price? What is the share? You know, companies are divided into shares, just like this whole building is divided into flats. And you can buy each flat separately. You don't have to buy the whole building. So when we talk about market capitalization, we are talking about the total. What is the value of that company? So in this case now, 130 flats multiplied by 10 million each. A flat is sold for 10 million equals to 1.3 billion, which means this whole building is 1.3 billion. But you don't have 1.3 billion. You can buy one flat. You can buy two flats. So also when it comes to a company, so let me use Dangote Cement as an example, because it's the biggest company in Nigeria going by the market capitalization. The current market capitalization as at the moment of making this video is 8.02 trillion naira. And the market price is 478.8 naira, which means if you want to buy 1 unit of Dangote Cement, you are going to be spending 478.8 naira. Now so Dangote's case now, so which means the whole value of Dangote is 8.02 trillion naira, and a unit is 478.8 naira, and the total shares in the market is 16,750,209 shares. That's what we call market capitalization. In the next part, I'll be talking about types of market capitalization and the advantages of investing in each category. So we meet in our next video. Stay blessed.